Craving a rich, moist and aromatic cake? This Mawa cake is soft, buttery and melts in your mouth. Stay tuned till the end for amazing tips and health benefits. I'm Nahida with you. Let's start. First, soak saffron in half cup warm milk and set aside for that beautiful golden color and aroma. No oven, no problem. This cake can be made on a stove top just like a bakery style cake. In a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup butter and 3 tablespoons ghee. Beat until smooth and creamy. Want a healthier version? Swap sugar with jaggery or coconut sugar. Then gradually add 3/4 cup powdered sugar, beating until it dissolves completely. In this recipe, I am using milk powder and ghee instead of mawa or khoya for convenience. But if you want to make it in the traditional way, you can replace the milk powder with the same amount of mawa. This will give the cake an even richer and more authentic flavor. Crack in 2 eggs, adding one at a time while mixing. Eggs provide protein that keeps you full and satisfied. Did you know Mawa cake originated from Indian Parsi bakeries and became a household favorite? Time for the dry ingredients. Sift together 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Corn flour makes the cake extra soft and fluffy. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and gently fold. Pour in the saffron milk and mix well. Mawa, also known as khoya, is milk solid that gives this cake its unique rich flavor. Use homemade khoya or mawa for an even richer taste. Milk is a calcium powerhouse, great for bones and teeth. Finally, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence for a delightful aroma. Grease a 7-inch cake mold with oil and place a baking paper. Pour in the batter and tap to remove air bubbles. Top with chopped almonds and pistachios for extra crunch. Almond and pistachios are loaded with antioxidant and healthy fats. Place a wire stand in a deep pan and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Carefully place the cake tin inside, cover and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Once done, let it cool before slicing into the perfect soft cake. If you love traditional sweets, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and homemade recipes. Doesn't this look absolutely delicious? Try it out and let us know how it turned out in the comments.